Go to the IT band, okay, the iliotibial tract, okay, that's what it's called. What we're going to do is go right on that side, bring this over. Can you do that one? If not, we can do the same thing with that tennis ball and just lay on it. And so your goal is to come right here, go on your forearm, and we're rolling down towards that knee. Some people can't make it to the knee because they find trigger points all the way down that IT band. Okay? So on the hip, buddy, on the hip.
So what it's going to look like for you, we're going to step back into your lunge. Okay, and we're just
You
going
okay there, Ramona?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Awesome.
You're going to see it's a little bit oh, yes.
Ume has a ooh. Nice. When she finds it, it's great. And please breathe. Now, when you go home and you're into this, drink lots of water. So I made a DVD one day and I spent 2 hours in this roller. I was sick for 2 days because, as Janice knows, when you do massage, you release toxins. Imagine 2-hour massage, you're going to release toxins and you're going to not feel too well. So drink lots of water, flush those out. Until it dissipates. Yeah, well, 30 seconds, it should start to dissipate a little bit, but some areas may need more work, maybe a minute. Now to enhance it, you know, say you want to enhance it, you can do a no leg, or a no. I can barely even feel this one anymore. So I actually use the medicine balls. I use those on my hip flexor and IT bands. And glutes. Well, I do it almost probably every day, right? We try to, so. Right. You hold your forearm and protect your shoulder. I know it's probably painful. Okay, I think we're about time to switch sides. Good, good. Make sure you're breathing. And the cool thing, when you stand up, you'll feel like a whole different person. And if not, I'm sorry.
That was in our liability, right?
That was in the waiver. That was in the... Good, good. How we doing?
Good.
Okay, that was really good. That's
like
something you do. So something clicked in there. That's great. Takes a lot to touch here. Well, you're not the only one.
Now just to protect your shoulder, can you go on your forearm? There you go. That shoulder can be susceptible to injury if it's way out and we're putting pressure.
So Nancy, there's something else here, a little bit.
Breathe, breathe.
Okay, so we're going to practice bending over from the hip with a straight back. Okay. So now
All right, good. Good, good. Here we go. A little bit longer.
the glutes are squeezing forward, chest is up tall. So we're going to pretend like this is heavy.